Greetings and welcome back to Room 303 and our chats with Emily, as we are calling our reading through the poetry of Emily Dickinson. We are now at poem 268, Me Change, Me Alter. It's interesting that there's exclamation points at the end of the word change and alter, and it almost needs to be read more like a question mark, or maybe it is a question that is not a question, as in me change, me alter. We'll talk about it as we get into this poem. Possibly another Sam Boyle's poem, very much like poem 267 that we just finished with. It might, in fact, I think more than anything, though, be a poem about Emily's refusal to change. And again, her refusal is much like the previous poem, Disobey. Emily as Promethean. Certainly these two poems will read well together. Our assumptions are that you've been following our stuff at LearnStrong.net. Down that left-hand side, Chats with Emily, our playlist. I'm hopeful that you've already worked through our introductory set of comments. I'm hopeful that you've worked through all of our preceding poems. As we said, we just finished with 267. Notice how the poem has a certain kind of voice or a certain kind of tone. And as well, notice here the importance, again, of mountains. We've seen it already. Emily often will reference mountains. Of course, stability comes to mind as well. And the mountain chain in South America, Cordillera, is going to come to mind here for us. Me change, me alter. Then I will when on the everlasting hill a smaller purple grows at sunset, or a lesser glow flickers upon Cordillera at day's superior close! Exclamation point. Now, the tone here is interesting. Me change, me alter. And it's clear what she's saying. I won't change. I won't alter. And if I were, it would be on the everlasting hill, sunset. A smaller purple grows. You'll remember we said in earlier poems, she loves this word purple. 55 poems she references it. At sunset, or a lesser glow flickers upon Cordillera at day's superior close. This mountain range of South America is now being referenced in poem 534 and 1029, the other times that she'll mention Cordillera. What exactly is going on here? Well, I think that she's going to play this game one more time when we get to poem 729, and she'll say it this way. Alter, exclamation point, when the hills do. Falter, exclamation point, when the sun question if his glory be the perfect one. Surfeit, exclamation point, when the daffodil doth of the dew, even as herself, sir, I will of you. In other words, a certain kind of fidelity is being emphasized here, and I think that's the point at 2a. The importance of stability, the importance of fidelity. She's not going to alter, she's not going to change, and the key, of course, here is that idea of stability, which I think is the referencing to Cordillera, the mountain chain. The tone of voice is interesting here. At 3a, we mentioned poem 729, but I like to think about Sonnet 116. Let me not to the marriage of true minds admit impediments. This obviously Shakespeare. Love is not love, which alters when it alteration finds, or bends with to remove or to remove. Oh no, it's an ever fixed mark that looks on tempest and is never shaken, you'll remember. We've done a full exegesis of that poem and many other sonnets at LearnStrong.net. Finally, at 3b, what was a time that you could argue you were very much like Emily, defiant in that regards? Don't tell me what to do. Emily's clearly very Promethean in this regards, right? Thank you.